Ranjit Sinha files affidavit in reply to charges against him in the Diary Gate. Meenakshi now joining us on the phone line for more on that. Meenakshi, the CBI chief doing this on the directions of the Supreme Court that had asked him to reply.
Well, yes, absolutely. You'll recall the Supreme Court on two occasions, once in the 2G case, which is being heard by a different bench, and other time in the Colgate scam, where recently orders were reserved on the aspect of cancellation, when we had seen Prashant Bhushan file the same application seeking removal of CBI director from both the cases, 2G case and Colgate case. In the Colgate case, which is being heard by a bench comprising the Chief Justice of India, we've seen notices being issued to Ranjit Sinha to file his reply in 10 days. And this particular affidavit, which Ranjit Sinha has filed, is at the direction of the two bench, which, to recall, on the last date of hearing, had gone ahead and asked Sinha to get back at all the allegations which, that point in time, Ranjit Sinha had refuted vehemently before the court as being untrue and malified, and also going ahead and asking the court to ask Prashant Bhushan to reveal the source of his information. That particular affidavit has now come by, and Ranjit Sinha, Director CBI, has gone ahead and filed this affidavit before the Supreme Court in a sealed cover. We've been given to understand by sources that he has again refuted the nature of the allegations been leveled against him. Primarily, Prashant Bhushan has alleged gross inappropriate conduct on the part of the CBI director to dilute the cases against some of the accused in the 2G and Colgate scam. That aspect has been vehemently denied by Sinha in his affidavit. Now, this is a sworn document which the court will consider while the matter comes up for further consideration on Monday. But clearly, Ranjit Sinha unwilling to relent for now and making denial. He's gone ahead and put his points of view in the affidavit, but at the same time, we are being able to understand that he has denied any allegations of inappropriate conduct on his part to dilute any of the cases. Back to you.
All right, denying allegations of inappropriate conduct, but Meenakshi, he was expected to, talk about how he had actually met those facing trial both in the 2G and the Colgate scams.
Well, yes, absolutely. That has been the crux of the allegations which have been leveled against him. That is what Prashant Bhushan has tried to illustrate before the Supreme Court as to how the frequent meetings that the CBI directors had, as is reflected by the logbook entries, is a clear violation on his part. It is clear, and how, therefore, Prashant Bhushan has gone ahead and alleged fight. Now, the matter is pending in the Supreme Court. Two benches of the Supreme Court at this point in time are considering the same aspect of Prashant Bhushan's allegations. One is the 2G bench, which is constituted of different judges, and the other is the Colgate bench, which is being headed by no less than the Honorable Chief Justice of India. In this backdrop, the CBI director coming out with the affidavit in sealed cover before the Supreme Court and going and rejecting and refuting all the allegations that Prashant has leveled. Clearly, he will have a tough time convincing the Supreme Court of the bona fides of his case, and ultimately it will be the prerogative of the Supreme Court how it views all the facts that have been placed before it.